everyone. Good day to you. This is Forex with me live. Today, I want to show us some fantastic MT5 mobile tools that you can use to take trades, that you can use to run any trade. Now, today is just like a video tutorial. It's more or less like that. I'm not showing any signal here. I'm not showing any indicator here. So this got me excited when one of my fans told me about this. And I believe the challenge I had is whatever some any of you might actually face the same challenge. And I hope this video will solve the problem. Now, what is the challenge? You can see I'm trying to zoom out here. Now, I can see my chart nakedly. I understand how this market is trying to move, but unfortunately, I realized that my tools couldn't work for me. I was somehow, confused that why would this be? What would have caused this? Then I find out from a friend who told me this. I will not lie to you. From our from our forex community, this is where we discussed about this, and he told me that wow, these settings is very easy. So what he told me is what I'm about to show you now. So the first thing he told me is that as naked as this chart is, I want to draw my support and my resistance. I want to draw my demand and supply zones, but I couldn't know how to figure it out. So now he told me that I should go into my menu as I'm showing you now. I'll click on this. Now I want to place a demand zone around here, for instance, because market actually retested at this point. As you can see, market retested at this point to continue a further momentum or upward trend. Now I want to draw a zone here. I have a challenge. Look at here. If I should close this trade now, then go back again, I find out that my my support is gone. My support is gone. What would have caused that? Now, he told me that my job is not yet done. I'll go back again. He told me to go back and do what? Click on the settings, then come to this draw as background. Click on it. Once I do that, press done. You can see independent chart. It changes from normal chart to independent chart. Now it's back again. It's back again. Now this time around, if I close my chart and come in again, voila, it's there. It's no more disappearing. That's the first thing I got from a friend, which I'm glad to show you guys. So for you to draw your support and resistance, demand and supply zone, this is how to go about it on your MT4 mobile. So easy. Now, the second thing I want to show us is this. I want to show us how to use Fibonacci tools to draw risk to reward ratio. That is, we are changing the Fibonacci to risk reward ratio. This is also very simple, as easy as this. Now, let's go into it. Now, I'm going to my same setup. I'm going to touch the Fibonacci as it is here. Let me draw it out. Wow. See this? This was the settings I actually did for my Fibonacci tools in case I need to enter my take profits level or continue the level, or I want to discover any pullback in the trend. But this time around, I'm changing these tools to become a risk reward ratio. Like you can see me now, I'm in a trade currently. So if I want to draw the risk to reward ratio of this trade, or I want to know the position where I'm supposed to take my profit on this particular trade, how do I go about it? It's very simple. Now, as it is now, the same problem will pop up, but we are going to solve that. We've already done that in the first. But I want to change these settings so that you can see. Now, let's go to our Fibo. That's the 15-minute Fibo. Then I'm going to change all of the settings to conform with risk reward ratio. These are my levels. I go to my levels. Now, from here, I'm going to delete all my setup from 26, 38, 50, 61. Then I'm leaving 100%. Then I delete 161, 261, 4, 2, 3. I'm deleting all of that. Then I have a blank Fibonacci level, except for the 0 level and the 100. So why the 0 and the 100? Now, I'm going to re-edit this as my entry level. As you can see, I'll start adding my risk to reward. If I want two risk to reward ratio, that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to do 2. I need 3. I'm going to do 3. 3 R. I need 4. I'll take that to 4. Description is 4R. For 5, I'm going to take that to 5. 5 R. All right, let me stop there. At least I used to tell my people that the best risk to reward ratio is 1 to 3. And if you're in a range market, you can take one risk to reward ratio. That's a very good one for range market. Now, this is the setup that I've just done. Then I'll go back, click done. Let's check. As you can see, my reward ratio has changed. Now, I want to break a calculation from here. If, for instance, let me zoom out. For instance, here is my entry point. I need to calculate my risk to reward ratio on this trade. I'm trying to put my 0 level here. For instance, this 0 level can also mean my stop loss level. Don't forget. Now, as you can see, that's my entry point for this trade. 100% entry point. Now, I want to see if I'm using 3 to 1 risk reward ratio. Let's see. I'm moving from 15 minutes to 1 hour now. So I will be taking my profit. Okay, let's go to 4 hours for me to see what's going on in the market and where I can pick my profit. So as you can see, so I'll be picking my 3 risk, 3 reward. This entry between my 0 level and my entry level is my risk. Then from 100 level to the 3 reward is my take profit. Voila. See how perfect this is. This showed me that at 700, I'll just round it up. 7000, I can take my profit. That's my 3 risks to reward ratio. And if I want to take further reward, I can actually move here. And as you can see, this reward level also supports a kind of zones on the chart. Support a previously tested zones. That's where, as you can see, in the fifth, you can see this is zone where market rallied a bit before it breaks zone. At 4, this also is zone. At 3, it's also another zone. At 2, it's also another zone, as you can see. So this is very, very good for us to trade with. And I believe you understand this. And if you have any question, please send your questions in the description link below on my Telegram channel. That is where I'm going to answer any question you might have as regards to this video and any other video you have, been able to watch from me. Now, this is this. So if I'm going to set my take profit, I'll set my take profit to 7,000. So let's go there and set it. 7,000. Then from there, I can calculate from that 100%. I can even calculate my stop loss. That's, let me put down at 6,600. So my stop loss is at 6,600. Voila. So this is my trade. This is all I have for you today. And let's check in case it pulls out and you did not find it again. We're going to use the same method we used to draw our triangle. Let's go back. Wow, it's gone. But don't panic. Just go into your settings again. This is our Fibo. This is the current one on this chart. Then go down. Draw as background. Then done. That is all. Yes, it has appeared again. Let's go to 4 hours. It's there again, as you can see. So if I go out, I come in again. Yes, it's back and it's there permanently. No more disappearing. So this is it, guys. I hope this video, I hope you've gotten a value from this video. Share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very